Today we're taking a closer look at the Zens Glass Teapot with Infuser. Modern-style teapot designed for loose-leaf tea lovers with a cleaned one-touch smart pouring infuser mechanism. To start, you can browse the company's full keyware lineup and see how they position their minimalist glass and bamboo designs directly on zensliving.com. Next, let's move to where most customer feedback exists, which is Amazon. Their Zen's modern glass teapot with infuser listing highlights features like 316 stainless steel micro perforated filter, drip-free spout, and thermal shock-resistant glass. Real buyers mention loving the clean aesthetic look and smooth pour, while others note the lid doesn't screw down and may drip if you poured too fast. On the Amazon's review section shows verified buyers giving it a 4-star average rating, praising it as a beautiful, minimalist teapot perfect for oolong and green teas, while critical reviews mention small capacity and that cleaning the infuser takes extra effort. For the final verdict based on the official listings and consistent Amazon buyer feedback, the Zen's Glass Teapot with Infuser is 100% a legitimate product. It delivers on aesthetic and function for casual tea brewing, though minor drips and cleaning effort are the most common complaints. So it's legit, stylish, and functional, but with realistic expectations on usability.